Guess who's back?
Guess who's back?
Back
again.
Here.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I was literally hyping this up in my mind. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be Sophia. We're gonna have a great time. Oh my god, they're gonna be so shocked.
And we're here.
When's the last time you were in my vlogs?
So long ago. I think we were like walking across the street.
That's what I was thinking too with fucking Gabby and
Yeah.
Electra. From
That's it.
that wasn't me being mean to them, by the way.
Just like eye roll.
Oh.
Just like don't miss that time.
Should I edit that out?
What did you say?
Should I don't miss that time?
Whatever. No, not like with them, but like.
Yeah, so we're going to Stampede.
Never mind.
And look at what I got.
Cover.
You're 18.
I know
Everyone-
it's for. I only got one.
Only when.
Oh, please only drink responsibly. Only drink if you are
If you are
of
18
legal
and
age.
above.
Legal age, because in America it's 21.
True.
Only drink alcohol if you are of legal age, and please drink responsibly. Do not.
Oh shit! He dropped his phone. Can you like wipe off your camera? It's really dirty. Here, let me do it. Let me do it. There. Wow. Look how much clearer we are.
So please only drink responsibly, and if you are of age. But I did get this. I am of age.
I thought you were gonna cover that.
Blurred out.
Responsibly.
One time a person almost crashed into me.
Please drink responsibly.
Here you go. On the train.
On the C train. Maybe you don't show that. I feel like that's some personal
again.
information.
Who's gonna steal it?
He
It
said
has
the
time
same
dates
thing
on
about
it.
my boarding pass on the airplane.
Yeah, and that has your
Please
name
don't get
on
my
it.
double
But
chin
it's
in this
not
video.
like they don't know my name. Yeah, my name was spelled wrong.
Waiting in line for what is this? Polar Express.
Abby, say hi to the vlog.
For the Polar Express.
Yeah, Polar Express. Guys, there's the Polar
More than
Express.
10.
We're waiting in line to get on that one.
Everywhere I turn, there's at least one.
Say hi to the vlog, everyone.
Hi.
The title of this vlog better be Save a Horse Ride a Cowboy.
Ooh, guys,
And then brackets Stampede.
if this vlog is titled "Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy," it's because of Abby.
Thank you.
Look at that ride. We gotta go on that ride.
What ride?
This ride right here.
Banzai.
Look at it. Okay, stop.
I'm trying to.
No, look, they
wait,
go. That ride
That one?
They go upside down,
That one?
like all the
That
way
I'm
around.
circling?
Yes.
Can we? Oh, guys, look who it is.
Who's alive?
Look who we found at the Calgary Stampede.
Because I am such a cowgirl. Look at me.
She's literally
Denim on
wearing all
denim.
denim.
Denim on denim. Look,
Canadian tuxedo. What is that?
city
Sorry.
slicker.
Where did you get that?
I don't know. My mom gave it to me.
I want to
Get her to get me one too.
Okay.
Guys, the alcohol here is. Guys, the
real
alcohol here is
expensive.
fucking expensive.
Because I said good for
That's
you.
why I'm not getting any.
Because she forgot her ID. She's 18, but she kind of.
I'm
can't do
Mormon.
it. Oh, she doesn't drink.
Tara,
Actually, I've
I'm
never
Mormon.
seen you drink, so I can't even
Why
say
am I
you
a
do
fucking
drink.
monkey?
Who the fuck? Who's Jada?
You don't?
You didn't. You
No.
looked
Even
at my
on
snap
your
and
18?
didn't even
Hey,
open
can
it.
you
Oh,
do
wow.
me a favor?
That was with
Say
my
yeah,
family.
why?
No,
Wow.
bitch.
I'm on.
What?
You're still in the vlog.
Pizza good.
Don't post this.
I'll edit that part out.
Okay.
Just, can you text me actually right now to edit
Emma,
the
you
part?
did not post this.
Haze bouncing off my booty cheeks.
Post what?
On my private story. Was it in my private story?
Wait, let me see.
Guys, look who we found. I'm sorry, you're too tall.
I thought you liked that she was tall.
I do, but it's just like I'm not used to it. You know?
You are.
I don't usually vlog with tall people.
This is my favorite vlog channel. Everyone subscribe. He just hit 55 subscribers. I thought he already hit that milestone, but turns
No,
out
I didn't.
it was recently. So congrats.
Aww.
Cause I be the baddie bitch.
Aww. Sorry?
Snap back if you want more of me in the vlogs.
Yeah. No, comment.
Comment.
Yeah.
If this video gets 5 million likes,
Comment Rachel with a heart if you want more me.
and that's RACHEL
Heart.
hearts.
Red heart.
I don't want no damn pink heart.
We're waiting to go on this ride.
It's the vlog one.
sorry?
Worst angles the whole
I
time.
don't care about angles.
Get my good angle.
What? Okay, bye.
Holy fuck.
So we just got deep fried Oreos. Oh, so good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Stop yourself.
This is the best thing they have here.
Look, this icing sugar all over my shirt.
You can't see anything.
I just blew it.
Oh shit. Guys, these international pierogies, what is this one?
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
No more beers for Brad. So good. The sauce is there.
It's immaculate.
This is Emma, by the way.
So good.
I don't know. I feel like you've been in a few and you guys just don't know who she is.
You gotta get chicken plus pierogi. That shit costs.
Puff?
You ate all the chicken. I have
Chicken
one
plus
chicken.
pierogies.
So good. Guys, come right here. So good. The sauce,
Not fun, not fun.
not sponsored, but we just really love them. Look what we found.
What? We found?
Okay, bye. This is Lauren, by the way.
Hi. Give me.
You're the only
Why does
person.
he go so low? Like, fuck.
Everyone else has told me, like, has just lived with it, and you're the only person that's like forced me to move it up.
Well, get my angles right. Hello.
Taking a video, go.
Guys, the fireworks.
Someone could boom, boom, and we wouldn't know.
Oh, it's like over already?
It's a good thing you got them.
So we're gonna go get pizza when we leave. I need to call Paris. Go to Abby instead.
Hi, I'm Paris Richmond,
And welcome to my birthday bash.
and welcome to my birthday bash.
Guys.
What?
Abby.
Should we bring the balloons upstairs?
Abby. I think so. Abby.
Just a few.
Why? Film me.
Okay, well, because I feel like we're
Film me.
know how much
It's filming.
like 5.
Can you come down to me because I can't do it? What the fuck? Please drink responsibly.
Am I
Guys,
tripping out
we're
or did
walking
we do
home.
that?
Wait, are these sprinklers? Why is it wet?
Am I
It's
tripping
so
out or did
nice
we
and
do
moist.
Oh, was that why he ran?
Oh, should we run? Should we race?
No, it's
No,
mist. It's misty.
girl.
Guys, so we're walking home right
Unless
now.
you want a bear crawl.
I love a good crawl.
I could do a
What?
bud bear crawl.
Okay. Walking home
But
right now.
I would need to hold my drink and my
But
meat,
I need a garbage.
period.
Guys.
A la basura?
Oh, I'm sorry. Sophia, this is just like when we walked home, but like we're not high.
Sounds like daddy's.
No, but I mean, like, actually.
Okay,
I
ready?
love
Bring
making
them-
out.
Let's be quiet. Brooke, Sophia, get the fuck up. She's sitting on the fuck in the middle of a... No way. Guys, get the hell up.
Shut the fuck up.